guys, my name is Augustine, and the purpose of my video is to introduce to you university programs and career opportunities we have within the program, so that when you are going to university or when you are trying to spend the money on your degree, you will know that it is worth the price that you pay for. So today we are going to look at one of the best courses in the world right now, and it's the career opportunities actually increasing. So the rate at which you can be employed as soon as you complete school actually depends on you. It depends on your research and your in-depth information sorting that will result in finding job as soon as you complete school. So if you find this video useful, if you find it very informative and very educative, kindly subscribe to the channel and let's keep this channel growing. So today we are looking at the Bachelor of Science Environmental Sciences, and then the career opportunities we have within. Actually, we have to get to know about a little bit about environmental sciences, what it entails. In a nutshell, it's want to tell us that we want to study the environment and then the problems that we're encountering, so that we can bring about the solution of those problems using mathematics and physics and chemistry and other interdisciplinary areas that can help solve these problems that we are encountering in our world. But let's get it here. So environmental science is an interdisciplinary academic field that integrates physical, biology, and geography, including ecology, biology, physics, chemistry, plant science, zoology, immunology, oceanography, limnology, soil science, geology, and physical geography, as well as atmospheric sciences, to the study of environment and the solution of environmental problems. So all these areas, all these sub areas, you are going to have knowledge under all these sub areas. So it will be up to you to decide as to become a biologist, as to become ecologist, as to become geographer, as to become geologist. Everything depends on you. So you will decide the kind of problem or the kind of improvement you want to bring at a particular area or at a particular field, so that you measure at that area, so that at the end of the day or at the end of your degree, you start to pursue a career in that particular field. So today we are going to look at some of the famous or some of the high-paying jobs that we have within environmental sciences, and don't forget that they intend to solve problem facing our environment. In fact, even climate change has become something that we don't know how to solve it, and most of the people are trying to do it, and those that can make it possible, that can make it easy, is those having degree in environmental sciences. So let's get to know some of the career opportunities we have within environmental sciences. I'm cleaning it so you can pause it and have a look at some of the field that we have, and then look at some of the purpose of the course entirely. So let's get to some of the career opportunities we have. First of all, we have air quality scientists. These people, in fact, they are helping a lot. They help us to identify the source of air pollution and to recommend or bring solutions to governments, NGOs, and other people, so that we can have a quality air to breathe, and we can have quality air that will support our environment. We also have water quality scientists. These people are like hydrologists. Hydrologists actually study water, and then these people are making sure that the water that we have, they bring samples to their labs, and then they make sure that we're having quality water, whether for irrigation purposes, for bathing purposes, for domestic purposes, for human consumption, or for drinking purposes, whatever purpose we want to use water for. These people first, or they bring some sample of the water into their labs, and then they make sure that it is good for humanity and it's good for the environment, not for humanity alone. Excuse. We also have eco tourism operators. Eco-tourism operators. They are more or less like tourism operators, but these people will introduce to you will introduce you to the rural environment, like the Amazon environment or the rainforest or any forest reserved. So these people make sure that you experience the rural environment, so that you feel that yeah, you belong to the environment that supports life. Let's take a lot and let's. I hope I can clean this part. When you are doing this, you can help us and you can become environmental lawyer. Environmental lawyer. Talking of environmental lawyer, we need people to enforce the law. We need people to make laws concerning the environment, so that we will fight the fake giants or the companies that are polluting the environment or that are threatening the life of humanity. So as an environmental lawyer, you can come out with laws that will help sustain our environment and that will help protect us from all these money-minded companies that pollute the environment. Or you can even recommend a better way we can have a safer environment or working conditions in our various countries. You can also become fishery scientists. Fishery scientists. Fishery scientists. Fishery scientists. Yes. Everything about science, everything about fish, you can study it and see that yeah, they are also being fed, they are having the life they deserve, they whatever about fish, you have to do it for us. And you can also become a botanist, as the study of plants. So if you want to go into plants, how to make sure that the plants are being propagated well, or you learn the species of plants and how you can sustain their livelihood and other stuff. So you want to go into plants in any field that this area will actually help you. You can also help us to become you can also become geologist. You can also become GIS office specialist. You can also become a lecturer or professor. Lecturer or professor in this area. You can also become a researcher in this area. You can also work in a lot of NGOs. You can work in mining companies. You can work in construction companies as a surveyor. You can also work as an urban planner. Urban planner. The reason being that urban planner. The reason being that we need environment that supports human life. So as somebody having an environmental science degree, you can know how we can integrate gardens, parks, and waters in our system, or in our environment, or in our community, so that we can have access to all lives. Let's say life support. Yeah, like the water, the parks, the forests, and other stuff. So it's very important, and we need these people in all our doings. So have a if you have interest in solving environmental problems, please, this course is going to help you. But let's really look at some of the courses or some of the high school degrees that will help you, high school courses. So if you're in Ghana and you want to know the courses that will help you, I mean physics, biology, chemistry. I mean for the SHS students, these are the courses that will help you apart from your course subjects. And then if you're also having A level, 5 credits in A level plus English and Maths, as well as 3 in any of these: botany, zoology, chemistry, physics, geology, and other stuff. So in the fifth that I mentioned that I wrote for you earlier, you can check those things and know if you have degrees in all those things that you can apply. If you're also a matured applicant, you must be 25 years at the year of at the time of submitting the forms, and you must also have these courses in your A level or your O level, or you must have your WASI well passed so that you can pursue this program. If you want to go to KNUST main campus, Kumasi campus, you have to get aggregate of 17. If you sum up your course subjects and your elective, you should not exceed 17. If you want to go to Obuasi campus, this is 24. So know the difference, and then let's all go to the university that we want, and let's all chase the career we want to pursue. So friends, the name is Augustine Asiedu TV. So subscribe to the channel, comment, and let me know some of your some of your questions and what bothers your mind about university programs and career opportunities, and even the university itself. So I'd like you to be the one to help you to understand a lot of things before you even start your university.